It's January 2026, and the financial world as we knew it has completely changed. What if I told you the old rules no longer apply? For decades, we've lived in a system dominated by the US dollar. But the ground is shaking, and the tremors are reshaping everything. Let's rewind a bit. For over half a century, the dollar reigned supreme. It was the world's reserve currency, the bedrock of international trade. But over the last few years, we've seen a perfect storm brewing. Massive government debt, persistent inflation, and growing geopolitical tensions started chipping away at the dollar's dominance. Countries began looking for alternatives, a safer harbor for their wealth. And they found one, an asset that's been a store of value for thousands of years: gold. What we're witnessing isn't just a simple shift in preference, it's a full-blown financial revolution. Central banks, from Asia to Europe, have been quietly, and then not so quietly, stockpiling gold at a record pace. They're diversifying their reserves, moving away from dollar-denominated assets and into something tangible, something that can't be printed out of thin air. This isn't just a move for governments either. Savvy investors and even everyday people are catching on. They see the writing on the wall. The purchasing power of fiat currencies is eroding, and trust in the traditional financial system is wavering. Gold has become the ultimate insurance policy, a hedge against uncertainty and instability. So, what does this new gold-centric era look like? First, international trade is undergoing a major facelift. We're seeing more bilateral trade agreements where countries are settling transactions in their own currencies, often backed or benchmarked against the price of gold. This reduces their reliance on the dollar and the US financial system, creating a more multipolar global economy. Second, the value of currencies is becoming more closely tied to tangible assets. Nations with significant gold reserves are finding their currencies stronger and more stable. This has forced a major rethink in economic policy worldwide. It's no longer just about managing interest rates. It's about managing real, physical assets. But this transition hasn't been without its challenges. The volatility has been intense. Markets are trying to price in this new reality, leading to huge swings in currency and commodity markets. Those who didn't adapt, who held on to the old playbook, have faced significant losses. However, those who understood the underlying shift and positioned themselves accordingly are thriving. The key takeaway is this: we are in a new financial paradigm. The dominance of a single currency is giving way to a more balanced system where real assets, especially gold, play a crucial role. Understanding this seismic shift is no longer optional. It's essential for navigating the financial landscape of 2026 and beyond. What are your thoughts on this new reality? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, make sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into our changing world. See you in the next one.